Hey guys, this week you're going to be making a digital collage. So you've already read the article, answered the questions, and participated in the discussion. Watch this video to know how to go on to the project. Once you've watched this video about the digital collage demonstration, you'll click on Digital Collage Unity Assignment. First thing you got to do is create a folder on your desktop called Collage Images. So right-click, create new folder, rename it Collage Images. This gives you a place to keep everything organized. Then you're going to do a Google image search on the word you chose to describe yourself and save at least 15 pictures to that folder. So I'm going to go with the word creative, not creativity. And I'm going to select images to bring up pictures. And you can just go through and click on them, see which ones you like. When you find one that you like, right-click it, click Save Image As, and then find that folder that you made so you can keep everything in the same place. It's not giving me the option to find it in this drop-down, so here. This should bring it up. Yeah, there it is. So just click there, click Save. And now that I've saved it there once, every picture I save after that should automatically go to that folder. I won't have to find it again. Yeah, there it is. So you're just going to do this until you have at least 15 pictures. If you want more than 15, by all means, go for it. But I want at least 15 so you get a good variety, because we talked about that in the article, that variety is what helps art be more interesting. If you don't have variety, it could end up very boring. So once you've saved all 15 pictures or more, as you can see here in my folder, I've got the 15. Just minimize that. Go back up here, close that out. We don't need it anymore. And it says click on the photo collage link. So that'll be down at the bottom of your assignment right here. Click on that and it's going to open up the website for you. It'll immediately give you the option to browse and bring in your pictures. So find your folder that you made on your desktop, Collage Images, select all of them, and click Open. That's going to drop them right on the screen for you. And the easiest way to start this out is to just hit Auto Collage or Template. And that's just going to put them in line for you. So now you can see all 15 of my pictures. But they're all exactly the same size, shape. It's really kind of boring. So play around, look at the templates, see if this makes it a little bit more interesting, because now they look like they're on a photo and it's not all the same. There's a whole bunch of different templates that you can use. So scroll through them, try different ones, see what that you think, if you like it. Don't just pick one and say you're done. This one is really cool, except it leaves a lot of the pictures out. So it might be a good start. You can bring some on and enlarge them. So you can change sizes by using the corners and the edges. If you grab the little line and dot that's poking up from the top, you can angle them. And you can kind of build your composition this way. It'll also let you switch the pictures in and out. You don't have to use all 15 pictures. I'd like you to use as many of them as you can, just so you have that variety. But if you only end up using 10 or 13 of them, that's fine. The 15 was just to get you started. Try and keep it in the double digits. If you don't end up liking that, you can always go back and pick a different template. Just try a few different things. This one's neat. It kind of softens the edges, leaves a little bit of a black background showing around each one. Again, they are all different sizes, which gives it a little bit of variety also, makes it a little more interesting. You can move things around, play with that. I'm just going to click Auto Collage and go back to this. You can move around the pictures, switch them around. See if you like that picture. I'm not liking how this is set up, so I'm just going to click it again. And every single time that you click it, that's all the same. Ooh, I like this. This could work. I like the way they're bigger in the middle and it's the darker, brighter colors right there. I feel like there's a little too much white right here in this section, so I'm going to kind of shift this around some. And get this. Put the black one over here. So I'm going to just line these back up. I'm going to leave it mostly the way it is and just kind of balance things out a little bit better. Put this white one over on this side instead. Now I kind of have some white on both sides. The darker color right next to them. All right, shift that. Once you have your composition the way that you like it, you're going to come up here to the text box, and I'm going to kind of move this to the middle and make it a little bigger. Click on this, and you can type your word right here. So my word was creative. I'm going to type that in. You can change the stroke color. That's the outline. You have to actually move it up from 0 if you want it to show up. I'm not going to do anything with a stroke, but I'm going to change the font to a script. I feel like a script is nice and creative, so I'll select that. This does background colors, shadow colors. I'm not going to mess with any of that right now. I'm going to go over to font color, turn it to white so it pops really well, make it a lot bigger. You can make it any size you want. You could repeat the word if you wanted to, make it different sizes, get a little variety with the word. And I'm just going to click off of this and then click back on it so it's back to a box I can move around. And I'm just going to try and center this a little bit better. And I don't need to do anything else there. So there is my picture. I feel pretty good about this. I'm going to go back over to Collage, Save Image. And I'm going to do first name, last name, _ Unity. Make sure it's a JPEG and push save. It didn't give me the option to save at a specific place, so I just have to figure out where it's saved. It went to my downloads. And I'm just going to drag it over to the collage images so I can find it easier. After that, you're going to go back to Schoology and to that folder where the assignment is and click on the assignment again. It has a section where you can submit over here on the side. You won't see it on mine because I'm not a student. I can't submit. This is where I'll see your submissions. And you just select it and upload that image for me to submit it, and then I will grade it based on the rubric that's included.